we're very excited to showcase all the messages. May I have a chair, please, for Chelsea? I'd like you, Chelsea, to take a look on the big screen because wala man sila dito, but don't worry, technology will bring you closer. So that's why we collected all the video messages coming from your friends and family members who cannot make it here, unfortunately. Dim the lights, please. Let's watch this.